Greetings from Berlin, my friends. I'm Andrea, astrologer, and welcome to this weekly update for markets and Bitcoin, which is covering the period from October 14th, October 20th. And what can we expect there? First of all, I would like to talk about the general climate of the week, then to pinpoint important aspects for Bitcoin, and then I would go in detail for members for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. So we have a lot to cover. Let's go into that. So first of all, we do have a frustrating waiting period, I would say, because we wait for positive aspects to manifest, and we don't see much. It is resulting in consolidation and some drops followed by recovery. This was the trend for the week. I filmed this on the 10th of October, and we look forward to the positive aspect on the 12th, which is a Jupiter sextile Chiron, and this is on Saturday, but we will see its influence for the next week. Since it is powerful, I really see to catch something from it. I hope that on Friday, but this is not guaranteed with Pluto still stationary. Pluto will go finally direct on the 12th of October. And why this is very important? Because it will go towards Aquarius. So it's like the last move on these degrees for 248 years. And this is important. So it takes its time, and we see everything more or less locked due to this stationary configuration in the sky. We do have a very eventful week astrologically at global astrology level and at a Bitcoin level, and this is really quite complex to cover here, but I want to give a summary for you. We will have most likely a volatile day on Monday that would contain also negative aspects from Sunday evening, and we might see also a dump there that is pretty consistent due to a Venus-Uranus opposition. Now again, the long-term Jupiter-Chiron influence could really save a lot of this, but let's see how this manifests. Just be aware that it's very volatile, and then we do have Tuesday on the 15th of October, the long-awaited aspect Saturn sextile Sun from the BTC chart, which is in general a good one, and we really hope that the combination with Jupiter would result in a decent magnitude of the price action upwards. Now we do not know exactly if this will be super big, because this is clear that we have one disturbing factor, which is the Jupiter-Saturn square. If you remember, that was exact in August. It's still operational. It's not exact now, luckily, but it's diminishing the force of this Saturn positive influence. Besides that, we do have positive aspects from Venus in the sky in the global astrology. We have 16th and 17th of October with good influences in general, but for Bitcoin, despite of the fact that we have in majority good aspects from Venus, from Mercury, I want to pinpoint the fact that we will have some fires as well, which are unfortunately negative, and we do have also at hourly level some red, pretty intense aspects, I would say. So again, each hour matters, and the transaction volume will dictate how fast it recovers. But I would say that we should see in October, really, how we call it, a sort of peak here now in this week or the next one, because everything is a bit delayed, and we look forward to increases here, hopefully in a sustainable way, because currently what we saw before the last dumps, it was not sustainable, especially for altcoins. We saw, for example, a nice rally for SUI, but then, you know, it was over. So it's like, I think the message is still this one. We could have nice highs for Bitcoin and subsequently for altcoins as well, but they will not last with this volatility that is at the beginning of the week with the Venus-Uranus opposition, and Venus stays for currency, cryptocurrency, and Uranus is for disruption. It's for the unpredictable planet that would really cause a lot of fluctuations. So just be aware of this background and have very good stop losses. So I think it will be quite tricky. I wish you anyway success with trading and investing this week. And now I would like to go with the members in detail on these predictions. Thank you so much for your attention, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. And until next time, be joyful and enjoy October.